What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another YouTube video. As if y'all can see, I'm at the what is this? The Navy Pier? What's this? Well, not the Navy.
San Diego.
I think it's called Ocean something. It's called Ocean Beach. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, in San Diego. It is real nice out here. It's looking real gorgeous. It is very packed out here. A little bit windy. The sun is just, scorching down on me. It's blinding me. But yeah, though. So just make sure y'all smash the like button and make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel for more banging videos. Cause today is a lovely day. So today is our last day in San Diego. So we will be leaving today. So just visiting a couple more places before we leave. So yeah. We just enjoying our time at the Ocean Beach. It is very beautiful out here. But yeah, just make sure y'all stay tuned. It's looking real beautiful out here. San Diego.
Now. Huh? Now. But he turned into a bad, he flew in his
Just outside that it will be our last day that we will be spending here.
I want to go to the car.
No, no.
I don't want to go to the car. Hello?
Just gotcha. So you guys, we are finna leave. We are finna get on the road. So goodbye, San Diego. It looks so beautiful.